Welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the various job opportunities available in one of the multinational company. Friend, the company name is a John Deere, and it is a multinational manufacturing company. And friend, this company involved in the manufacturing and provide the various services related to the you can see like tractors, construction equipment, landscaping, and ground care. Also, they provide the various forestry machines. You can see, and friend, it is a very good opportunity for you to get the job in John Deere company. And friend, if you want more information regarding this company, please visit the website so that you can know more information. So friend, here you can see we are at the official career page of the John Deere company. And friend, we have selected the country as India, so that all the job opportunities available in India will be showing here. So you can see the job opportunities like senior lead engineer, then you can see job opportunities related to the engineer product, and senior engineer. Friend, we are going to check this job opportunity in detail. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for you. Unacademy core engineering provides the various free certification workshops. So now they have come up with the new certification workshops. So you can see here. And friend, this free certified workshop is for the core engineering branches like mechanical, then electrical engineers, electronic and communication engineers, civil engineers. And friend, this free certified workshop will help you to get the job. And friend, this certified workshop will occur on 23rd July 2022 and 12 p.m. onwards. So you can see the price was previously 9,099, but currently it is free. So please grab this job opportunity and do the free certified workshop so that you can easily find your job. And you can see here the various topic workshops is given. So like hardware interfacing on MATLAB, and you will also have the workshop on motorcycle tear down, also on the building designing using AutoCAD. So please grab this job opportunity and enroll for this free certified workshop as soon as possible. And friend, it is a also a very good opportunity for you that you have the chance to win a scholarship up to 30%. For that, you have to give the Unacademy scholarship test. And friend, this scholarship test will consist of technical and aptitude test, and it is for the all mechanical, electrical, electronics, and civil engineering learners and graduates. So please grab this opportunity and try to get this scholarship. So friend, for enrolling in the free certified workshop as well as in the scholarship test, I will provide the link in the description box. And friend, for registering, you have to use my code ROSHANY 2022, that is ROSHANY 2022. So please use this code as well as a link in the description box so that you can easily register for this free certified workshop and scholarship test. So please grab this job opportunity. So friend, let's check the various job opportunities available in the John Deere company. So you can see here they are having a job opportunities for a senior lead engineer for Pune location, and you can see all these four job opportunities available for the Pune location. So we are going to check the one by one. So let's first check with the senior engineer one. So, friend, you can see the date is of 15th July 2022, and it is for the Pune, Maharashtra location. So, you can see here the main purpose of the job is given, and after that, you can see the various types of duties which you have to perform. So, you can see the duties like produces and or evaluate possible design solutions to improve the cost, quality, and performance. Then also you have to compile with and furnish necessary information for engineers' decision, report pertinent design analysis data. Also, you can see here the points are given like adoption of the design with possible involvement of other functional engineers, supply chain management, and supply personnel. Also, you have to apply your existing application to routine problems. You have to analyze and the assignments, and also you have to determine engineering specification which must be fulfilled. You have to learn and apply company engineering policies and practices, and also you have to learn company products. So you can see here the very important point is given, like you can see you have to execute the test or analysis plan for product verification and validation. So you can see here the some general skill abilities are required. So you should be skilled in using computer aided design or engineering tools like SolidWorks, AutoCAD. Should you should know. Then also you can see understanding of engineering principle as they relate to the company product. So friend, these are the some requirement is given, and how you can apply we will discuss later. Let's move for the next job opportunity, that is a senior lead engineer. And friend, you can see the job posting date is 19th July, so it is a very recent job opportunity, and it is for the Pune Maharashtra location. So you can see here points are given. You can see here like you have to evaluate possible design solution to improve the cost, quality and performance. Also, you have to develop and execute test analysis plan for product verification and validation, provide technical support to marketing, manufacturing, quality, and supply chain management organization. Also, you can see you should be expert in user of critical technology. You have to develop new application of technology for product development, lead in resolution of product line based difficult technical issues, whether and within the company or within the outside suppliers. So these are the some requirement is given. And friend, you should have a very good knowledge in the area of engineering like design analysis, test and evaluation. Also, you will be skilled in using computer company information system and process. You should be having very good knowledge in engineering principle, theory and practices. So friend, these are the some requirement is given. And friend, before going to check how you can apply for this job opportunity, please subscribe Mechanical Stream to receive the notification of our latest video. And friend, also please like and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. It will motivate us to create a more job related videos for you. So friend, let's check how you can apply for this job opportunity. So for friend, for any job opportunity, you can see apply now button is given on the top. For applying, you have to simply click on this. Once you click, then this type of page will open. So you have to register first yourself at the John Deere career page. So for that, you have to first create your account. So you have to click on this create an account, and after that you have to provide necessary information like email address. You have to create one password. You have to provide your first name, last name. You have to select your country, and you have to create your account. So once your account is created, then you have to simply log in and complete the application process. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job opportunity, please comment in the video. And also, if you have any query, please comment so that we can work on it and improve it. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.